Hello everybody, this is Chef Happy Matthew, and today we are going to be making cupcakes with my best friend Adele. Hi! We are also going to be making the cupcakes from a cake mix, not from scratch.
And we're also going to be dyeing the frosting pink.
So let's get started. Alright, so you're going to get 4 room temperature eggs. And now we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of butter. And then we'll add 1 cup of milk. And then we're going to mix it while. And then, last but not least,
We're going to use the yellow cake mix.
Alright, mix it on medium for 2 minutes. And now we need to put this batter in the cupcake liners.
And now we're going to put the baking cups in.
So now what we need to do is use an ice cream scooper or whatever you have to just take some of the mixture and put it in. The ice cream scooper makes it so that it's all level and it's not just like some of it has more than the others. So it should be, if you don't have an ice cream scooper, then it should be the cupcake baking cups should be about 2/3 of the way full.
And follow the directions on your box to see how much you need to preheat your oven.
Go.
And now we're going to put the buttercream in.
And now we're going to use this red food coloring to make a light pink. And we'll start with 1 drop and keep going. One. Now we can fill the piping bag.
As you can see, it's not really that pigmented on the camera, but it's really pigmented in real life.
Yes. And now we're going to frost them. And this is how they look. They're really good. Go.
These are how they turned out. They look really good.
You can use these for Valentine's Day, birthday parties, or whatever you need. This was really fun to make. You guys should definitely try this recipe.
Bye.